Còn nữa này.
Good, I'll take my glasses off. Okay. Okay. We're gonna get serious, I guess.
Dạ, đi rồi.
Yeah, we are. Okay, we're gonna do something called touch the hip and then reach and stretch like your Yep, touch your hip, stretch your shoulder. Good. If it hurts, don't do it. Reach and stretch. Beautiful. Last one, reach and stretch. And then how about the other way? Reach and stretch.
Sắp đẹp đó.
Sometimes this is called pulling your sword. Pull the sword out of your pocket.
呀，给中大呢，
Con ta con ta chĩa
Pull
này.
your sword from your pocket.
中大的有啥打了没呢？
Reach and stretch.
Sắp tạo rồi này.
Last one. All right, we're going for that walk again.
Đúng một cái.
Going for the walk. Beautiful day, going for the walk. We got some joggers. We got some walkers. Looks good. Reach out and stretch out those fingers.
Nó này.
Motion is lotion. You know that saying?
Cho chú cho tiền cho tao tí xíu. Chưa cho tiền chỉ cho tao đây.
Yeah. Good. All right, let's move those elbows a little bit faster. Nice. Good. You can lift your hearts. Lift your knees. Looks good.
Chào, chào, chào.